right, in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to get from Walmart for $100, around $100 if you just want to get started detailing cars and making money. This isn't going to be like professional grade equipment or chemicals or anything, obviously, because we're at Walmart. They're not going to sell those here. But if you're looking to get started detailing cars on a budget, talking $100 around, I'm going to try to keep it under $100. I'm going to show you what you should go for in here and what to stay away from. All right, let's jump in. All right, here we go. So we're gonna see some chemical guys stuff. Walmart normally carries a bunch of chemical guys. I would stay away from that. The only thing I'd probably go for is the honeydew car soap. I didn't see it here, but normally Walmart will carry that. Then the first thing is some rags. These are 24 pack of detailing towels. I'm gonna keep prices as well. So it's like $10. There's a couple different versions, but they're all pretty affordable. Drying towel for another $10. Probably just need to get one of those. That brings us up to 20, but the drying towel, it's going to help with the drying process a lot. Detailing brushes, maybe not. That might be something we have to cut off toward the end if we're trying to keep it under 100, but that's $6. I'd recommend it, especially just for a 2-pack. You can do the interior, one for the interior, one for the exterior. And here I'm just kind of looking around. I'm going to move down here. We're looking for car soap. I see a couple options with some 2-in-1s. This one looks as good as any. It's going to be dilutable. It's $10, up to 100 washes. I mean, you can't really beat that. So that's another $10. All right, down here, going to grab one of these expandable hoses. This is what you're going to hook up to the customer's water, and probably want to get one of those sprayers to the right too. Yeah, so that's $20. And then another $4 for the sprayer. And then I'd also I didn't see exactly what I was looking for, but I saw this in the back. This will work for putting the car soap in and spraying the car. Not exactly sure how much this will foam it up. It will definitely be doable. I've worked with less. I also saw these other multi-purpose towels, 50-pack. Another no price tag on those, but I'm sure they're fairly reasonable, especially for 50 of them. The Armor All stuff I'd probably stay away with. I saw some carpet and upholstery cleaner, some Meguiar's brand, maybe not a bad move. A $40 vacuum. I'm going to show you some other vacuums here in a second. All right, here's those other vacuums I was talking about. $30 for that, the small one, $40 for that one. I'd probably go for one of these Hyper Tough vacuums over that other brand that was in the car cleaning section. That's what I started with. Just like a little 1.5 or 2.5 gallon vacuum. That one was $40. Still not a bad buy, but Tire Shine, not the Tire Shine I'd go with normally, but for $5 or $6, it'll work. I mean, for a few cars until you make some money and you can upgrade your equipment a little bit. All right, down here, looking for some glass cleaner, $5, $6 here. I like the Sprayway glass cleaner, but, something like this will definitely get the job done. Here's some drills. I would not go for any of these drills. They are just asking to get broken. They're also really expensive. I wouldn't go for the Hyper Tough or the Hart brand drill. You can start with just using your hand and a brush, and it'll do the job for now. Yeah, so for all-purpose cleaner, I just use Fabuloso. It's worked for me for years. I mean, it foams up a little bit. It's super concentrated. That giant jug will get you like months of details. Yeah, if you're going to be shampooing any carpets, just get some of this Resolve carpet cleaner. It's concentrated. You can dilute it down, and it'll get the job done. Again, not professional grade or anything, but it works. And if you want a good carpet extractor, Walmart sells these Bissell, what are they called? The Little Green Pros, and they also have a heated version, but they're like $130, $100 to $140. I've used them. We still use them. Like my guys, that's what they're carrying around. It's a great portable carpet cleaner. Some things I wouldn't recommend, any of this Armor All stuff and these wipes, all of this chemical guy stuff, I probably would stay away from it. It's expensive, and there's better, cheaper options, except for that honeydew Carwash soap. I've used that before. It's pretty nice. It foams up. I wouldn't recommend I wouldn't mess with all those other brushes. You don't really need it. Here's more chemical guy stuff that you don't need to mess with. And I mean, I've used some of it and it's fine. It'll work. It's just expensive and it's not the best option for getting started. they're just a very expensive brand. Here I'm looking for that honeydew stuff. I didn't see it. But yeah, I would stay away from any of that. All the kits, I'd probably stay away from it. I actually saw some kits. Here's a couple of them. Yeah, Chemical Guys sold a kit, and it has, let's see what it has in it. The bucket, shampoo, rim cleaner, interior cleaner, microfiber cloth. So, I mean, it got some stuff in there. Honestly, for, $25, not a bad buy for getting started. All right, so that's pretty much everything at Walmart I would recommend. Try to keep it under $100, pretty reasonable to start off with. The point of the video was you can really start with the basics. You don't have to have all the services. You don't have to shampoo carpets. Definitely don't have to do any buffing or anything. If you just want to start making money detailing cars, you can do it on the cheap with something like Walmart, Target. They have stuff that will work. Again, it's not going to be the best options, but it'll get you started. It'll get some money in your pocket, and you can go from there. Use the money you make from detailing, start upgrading your stuff. It's an evolution. You're going to evolve your equipment as you go. No reason to not start off with the cheapest stuff. Set your prices accordingly. You're not going to be the most expensive detailer in the area, and I wasn't when I started either. But eventually, go up to some detailing supply shops, get a wholesaler, buy some bulk supplies that are some chemicals that are dilutable, go further, and they're just better quality. But to start off with, that's what I recommend. If you're looking to start a detailing business, you don't really know where to start, I have a free training in the bio. If you click that link, fill out the information, fill out the form, I'll email you over a free training on how I got my first customers and how I took my business from $0 when I was in college, a broke college basketball player, just trying to make some money on the side, all the way to having employees doing the details for me while I'm right here filming this video. But yeah, go ahead and click in the video if you're interested, if you're trying to get your business up and started, and I'll see you in the next one.